Rakshitaha. A tree protects if protected. Namaskar and a very warm afternoon to esteemed panel of judges, teachers, seniors, and my fellow friends. Today I, Nirdeshta Thakal, a student of grade 8A2 representing Lil Angel School, stand ahead of you all to present my speech on the topic Save Forest, Save Life. Forests cover about 39.6% of Nepal's total land area and are essential for livelihoods of many communities, providing resources like firewood and fodder. And globally, forests are known to be home for about 80% of the Earth's species. Mahatma Gandhi once famously quoted that the earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Now this quote alarms us about how we should be using the resources. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever thanked a tree?
No. Yes.
No? Well, here's a news flash. Trees have been working overtime, providing us oxygen and keeping us alive. And they're asking literally nothing in return. And how do we thank them, you ask? By simply slicing them off and turning them into pizza boxes or even materials used at home. Now, it's 2024, folks. I want to remind you, when the last tree on earth falls, you won't be able to download an app on phone to get more oxygen. It's 2024 and the damage has already been done. Do you know that even in 2023, about 2% of forest area was damaged? And that equates to 253,000 hectares of land being deployed. Imagine the destruction we had. Imagine the lives that had to suffer. Saving forests means saving ourselves. Yes, it is true. But are we that selfish, forgetting about millions and billions of animals in the planet? Even the smallest organisms getting affected by our activities. Because at the end, it's not just us, it's all of us getting affected by it. And now, talking about this, I remember the teaching of my science teacher, Mrs. Sharda ma'am. She once mentioned that prevention is better than cure. So, let me list out some preventive methods so that such destructive actions won't happen again and again. First of all, conducting afforestation program, and second of all, reforestation and your own contribution in planting trees from your home. Start by yourself. And the final and the foremost point is the platform where I am standing right now. Well, it is just few of us right now, but by speaking on it, we are a step ahead to save the forest and to save the life. To conclude, I would like to thank Panorama TV for providing this great platform to speak on. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.